Everybody is good in good times. It is your ability to tide over crisis which defines a leader. Abraham Lincoln की एक बड़ी अच्छी, he writes, in fact your readers must Google it, download it and frame it. It's the letter that he wrote, it's on the net, to the headmaster of the school in which his son was studying. It's a brilliant piece. उसमें से दो लाइन हैं, that sell your brain and brawn to the highest bidder.
Okay.
जो talent है, brawn, what you have, sell it to the highest bidder. But never put a price tag on your heart and soul. Never put a price tag on your heart. अगर आपने इसमें cheating की, karma, call you what it like, you will not get ahead. Combine this with the first three I told you.
Exactly.
Sell your brain and brawn to the highest bidder. जो आप में हुनर है, उसको बेचिए. Be smart.
True.
Don't be chatak. This is my
It's like
experience.
smart
And the last point. Just the last point. Contrary to what people will tell you, I will tell you a different thing. My experience. I say life may seem to be unfair. Not once, twice, three times, maybe 4 or 5. But human beings are exceptionally fair. They will always judge you for what you are. There is a strange way of human beings. Even in your downfall, in your worst moments, you will make 10 friends. You may make 20 admirers. In the long run, human beings are very fair. आपको उल्टा बताएंगे लोग कि you can't trust anybody. I'm saying the contrary. Life may be unfair. Human beings are very. तो इन पांचों, whatever you call them, postulates, मुद्दे, इनको आप जोड़ लीजिए. They form the बुनियाद of leadership. And of course, the last is your ability. Or let me add just 2 more. Give me 2 more, otherwise the thought will break. One is that, everybody is good in good times. It is your ability to tide over crisis which defines a leader. So, there is a Urdu couplet which says, Tundaiye mukhtalif se na ghabra eqab. The poet is telling the bird, Tundaiye mukhtalif, adverse wind. Tundaiye mukhtalif se na ghabra eqab. Bird, don't fear the adverse wind. ये तो आया है तुझे और ऊंचा उड़ाने के लिए. It comes only to waft you even higher. What you learn from a crisis. In fact, what I would wish most for my son is that he faces the greatest crisis while I'm alive. Between 15 and 25, the worst should come on him. Because then he will do best from 20. And I'm not saying one out of just to make a point. I'm telling you from personal experience. And the last is this. What should you do? Should people say, badi badi baatein karta hai. I'm saying you should always think big. So, nazrein hamesha asman par, but pair zameen. It's very difficult to do it. Don't fly so high that you come so close to the sun that you get burnt. So, this has to be calibrated. In Akbar's court, I think Birbal was one of the few Hindu courtiers in a predominantly Mughal court. Why? Because he always chose Birbal because of his ability to speak truth to power. जो बाकी चमचागिरी करते थे. Now, there is a lesson here for both the leader and the led. The day you have a court full of yes men, you are gone or you are going. And the other part, and Birbal would always tell Akbar, this is anecdotal, but the spirit has to be understood. Through some incident, he would remind him कि शहंशाह तुमसे पहले जो शख्स यहाँ नदीम था उसे भी अपना खुदा होने का यकीन था. He was telling the emperor that before you, every chap who sat on this throne, he thought he was becoming God and his downfall. So those 3 plus these 3, what I have said, if you can knit them together, it is pretty likely that you will do well in life as a leader. And I began by saying that there is the only thing more important than your being a good coder, your being a good sportsman, your being a good soldier, a civil servant, entrepreneur, businessman, is the ability of being a leader. It is the most important thing in life and the most difficult to define. There cannot be 10 sets. Leadership is to be imbibed, it is to be learnt, it is to be, what shall I say, built upon by wisdom. You learn the lessons of leadership like how you cross a river, by feeling the stones. तो you feel the stone, इधर गिरते हो, उधर लड़खड़ाते हो, इसकी बात सुनते हो, उसकी बात सुनते हो, उसको आजमाते हो, ये तुम्हें धोखा देता है, वो आपकी मदद करता है. But it is a complex phenomenon, but it defines victory from defeat, the successful from the not so successful. So it's the most important thing in life, leadership. But you cannot put, cannot tell my son to do these 10 things and you will succeed. These are not hand-me-downs like that. But yet there is something, be a student of leadership. Every moment that you spend, an interaction, a personality, everything is leadership.
थैंक यू सो मच इस क्लिप को एंड तक देखने के लिए. अगर आपको ऐसी ही इंटरेस्टिंग एंड वैल्यू एडिंग क्लिप्स देखनी है देन ड्रीम विद नीरज क्लिप्स को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए. अंटिल देन कीप ड्रीमिंग. आई विल सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वन.